Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a cool video using the photo Slinky and clone effect in CapCut. So for this edit, you just need 3 photos like this, and after that you can go to style or photo effect, and then here just swipe until you find the photo Slinky effect. Click on that effect, okay, and then apply it to all of your photos. And after you finish, just click on the check icon so the photo will go like this, all of them. And then after that, just go to body effects, and here find clone. Then to have a clone effect, you just need to click on the doppelganger effect. Click on this. Now click on the check icon, then apply it to all of your clips, and the clips will go like this. So beside this effect, you can also actually just add any effects that you want to make it looks more awesome. But I think that's it for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.